any closed surface of any shape, any shape, any closed surface of any shape of any angle, any angle. So placed in a uniform electric field, uniform electric field, electric electric field, but flux is electric field, the flux is zero. Flux is zero. Now we will see this is a cylinder shape, this cylinder shape, this is a semicircle. Now this is circle, this is square, this is a cube. We are taking cube, we are taking cube. Now this is another shape cylinder. Now this is electric field start from first to negative. This is the direction. So electric flux is zero. Electric flux is zero. Now this is a making angle theta. You can take any closed surface of any shape of any angle. So placed in a uniform electric field, the flux is zero. The flux is zero. The flux is zero. Now next example problem. Example number 1. Suppose you take this is a uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. This is a closed cylinder placed in a uniform. So this is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric. Now this is a one surface. This is a curved surface. This is area is this is the n cap unit vector. So this is also area vector. This is n cap, direction of n cap. This is n cap. Now we will see direction of electric field is this direction. This is the first point, second point, third point, third point. So we have to calculate the flux. The flux is equal integration. This is we call flat surface. Flat one. Flat one. E bar ds cos theta we are writing cos theta. Plus second, this is to be called curved surface. Curved surface. Curved surface. E ds cos theta. Cos theta plus this is the one more flat surface. Flat number 3. E ds cos theta. Cos theta d theta. We are writing this. D theta. Now we see this is a direction. This is a direction of n cap. Or you take this is a I explained dA na dA. You can take dA. I mean this is a n bar. So E bar ds A bar cos here. This is a direction of E bar. E bar in this direction, n bar in this direction. Angle between two is theta. 0 degrees. Cos 0. Now I'm going to calculate directly. I'm going to calculate directly. So what is the formula? This path I'm taking. So phi is equal to d phi is equal to E into dA. This is the part number 1. So d phi flux is equal to E bar. Direction of E bar this direction, and this is the cos theta angle, right? Cos theta. Cos theta. dA and cos theta means what is the angle between n bar E bar? Cos 0 degrees. Cos 0. D phi is equal to E into dA. Cos 0. But this is the flux. This. Next, second one. This first one. So E dA cos 90. Cos 90 means 0. This is the flux is 0 here. Next, third place. D phi by 3 is equal to E into dA cos 0 degrees. D phi 3 is equal to E dA cos 0 is 1. This is the so this is a flat surface, flat 1, flat 2, flat 3. Flat surface, curved surface, and flat 3. So electric flux is, what is the electric flux? E into dA, E into dA, total value is total value. Now we'll see direction of electric field is this direction. This is n cap. This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of n cap. This is taking plus. Inside flux means we are taking negative. So what is the total flux? Total flux is equal to d phi e 1 plus d phi e 2 plus d phi e 3. So what is the net flux? Minus dA plus 0 plus E into dA. So what is the flux? Total flux is 0. Total flux is 0. Total flux is 0. We can take a simple way. We are taking so total flux is equal to phi 1. This is a flat plus phi 2. This is a curved surface plus phi 3 and a flat surface. F means flat. F means flat. So phi is equal to EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Cos theta is total flux is equal to EA cos flux. This is a n cap. This is a E bar. What is the angle? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Cos 0 plus flat curved surface. Angle between here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Again, this is a E bar. This is a E bar. What is the angle? 90 degrees plus EA cos 90. EA cos 90. Next, again, this is N bar, this is E bar. Both of the same direction. So EA cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees. EA cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. This is a plus. This is a 0 plus EA cos 0 is 1. This is the outside flux. This is the into flux. Into flux is minus, outside flux is plus. This is cancel each other 0. Total flux is 0. That is up. Flux is 0. Flux is 0. That is your answer. Next. Next model. This is so what is the total flux? Total flux is equal to electric flux is equal to 0. This is one model. So next, this is direction of electric field, make an angle theta. This is the direction of it. Total flux is 0 in this model. Total flux is 0 in this model. So next, this is a semi-circle. This is a flat surface. This is a curved surface. Direction of this is a n cap. This is the direction of n cap or A area vector. Area vector. Both are in the same direction. Both are in same direction. Both are in same direction. Direction of electric field is direction of electric field is this is the direction of electric. Now we have to calculate the flux. One is this is a curved surface. This is a curved surface. CS means curved surface. Plus and flux of flat surface. Flat means this is a flat. Flat surface is equal to total flux is 0. Sum of curved surface, flat surface is equal to 0. Okay now. So we want to go find out this is a flat surface. We are going to first flat surface. What is a flat surface? This is an E bar. This is angle between theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees between E bar and bar. E bar and N bar. General formula phi is equal to EA cos theta. EA cos theta plus. Now we are going to calculate flat surface. Flat surface is equal to say EA cos theta. EA cos theta. What is the angle between E bar and N cap? N cap or A cap. So what is theta? Cos 90, cos 90, 0. Cos 90, 0. Your flat surface plus is 0. Flat surface plus is 0. This value put in this equation, and CS plus and flat surface plus is 0 is equal to 0, and plus curved surface plus also 0. That is your answer. That is your answer. Now this is semi-circle. So this is an N cap or A. Area method is downward direction. Electric field is in upward direction. Electric field is in upward direction. This is the electric field. Now you see this is the direction of electric field. Now angle between E bar and cap is 180 degree. Theta is equal to 180 degree. You will see this is a flat surface, curved surface plus a flat surface is equal to plus is equal to 0. Plus is equal to 0. This is a flat surface. This is a flat surface. This is a curved surface. Calculate flat surface. Flat surface is equal. Flat surface is equal. What is the angle between the flat surface? Angle between E bar and N cap. What is the angle? Theta is equal to 180. Theta is equal to 180. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Flat surface is equal to EA cos EA. What is the angle between the E and A? This is the N cap, or we are taking A. So what is the angle between the E bar and A bar? Angle is 180 degrees. Cos 180. Next, flat surface is equal to cos 180 means minus 1. I'm taking this is the Doran. Now this flat surface plus put in this equation, CS plus 5 flat surface. Flat surface answer is minus EA is equal to 0. Now plus curved surface takes this side is equal to EA. This is your answer. That is your answer. EA. That is your answer. The next model is very important. Next model. So next, E bar is equal to. So E bar is equal to. Next problem. This is very important. Net I cap plus 5K cap plus 7K cap. So find flux through. Find flux through. Flux through the surface of area is equal to 3 m square. 3 m. Now I'm going to explain answers. This is a very, very important. Very, very important. Suppose XY plane. First one is XY plane. XY plane. XY plane means so flux is equal to formula is equal to EA. E dot, E bar dot. E bar is a vector, A bar is a vector. This is a dot product. This is a dot product. This is a fire. Electric source is a scalar quantity. Electric field is a vector. A bar is a area vector. Area vector. Now we want to find out the flux means this is a pi equal to E bar dot here. Now, okay, this is E bar. E bar means 2I cap plus 5J plus 7K. Now this is a dot A bar. A bar. A bar means area. So what is the area here? A is equal to 3 meters square. But this is I kappa, J kappa, K kappa. How can we decide? XY plane means XY plane means remaining is Z. We are taking this 3K cap. 3K cap. XY means remaining Z axis. Next Z axis. Z axis means K cap. Now we know dot product. So when 3 and this is a we know some property. I cap I is equal to 1, J cap J is equal to 1, K cap dot K is equal to 1. Remaining I dot J is equal to 0, J dot I is equal to 0, below this one. Remaining all dot product means 0. Now let's see. So what happened? K dot K 1, 73, 21. This is a flux. What? That is flux. Unit is Newton and Newton Newton n square by this is a dollar. Now second one is YZ. Second one is XY plane. Next YZ. YZ plane. In YZ plane. In the YZ plane means same. We are taking plus E bar dot A. So E bar is equal to A bar. How can you decide A bar? A bar is equal. Now XZ means XZ. Remaining is Y. Y means J cap and J cap. XZ plane means HZ plane means area is present in a J cap. Area is present in a J cap. Now we will take so this is E bar means 2I plus 5J plus 7K dot A bar. A bar means 3J cap. I dot J 0 plus J dot J 1 and K dot J is 0. 5 dot J dot J is 1, 5 and 3, 50. 50 and Newton meter square. This is a flux. This is a flux. That is the next third option. XY, XZ, next plane is XZ. Next YZ. YZ plane. In this plane, area are taking area vector we are taking YZ plane. YZ plane. And the area is present in a x-axis. X-axis means I bar. Okay. Now flux is equal to E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar. E bar means 2I cap plus 5J cap plus 7K cap. Now dot product 3I cap. Now I dot I is 1 and 2 is 3 means 6 plus remaining. J dot I is 0. K dot I is equal to 0. You have 3 6 Newton meter square by that is it. That is your answer. Keep in mind this is very important. Very important. XY plane means you are taking XY plane. Area is present in a Z. You can take K cap. XY Z. XY. Now you see XZ means area is present in Y. And you see YZ plane means area is present in X. Keep in mind that is very important. Next model also very important. Next model. Very important for IIT and very important. Very, very, very important. Next model. Model. So very, very, very important. IAT and NEET. This model will from 2020, January 8, online. Online. 2020. 2020, online. So in this model, so this is the key. This is the key mark. This is the cube. This is the cube. This is the cube. Now we'll see this cube. This is the axis. Now axis is from this is the axis origin. From here to it is L. From here to it is L. From here L. And this is length of this one is L already given. This is out the flux. This side is into the flux. But electric field is this direction. Electric field is equal E naught I cap. E naught I cap. E naught I cap. This is the electric flux. Electric flux is E naught I cap. E naught I cap. Now we have to calculate the electric flux. Electric flux. We have to calculate the electric flux. Now we have to calculate total flux is equal into the flux or the flux. Into the flux or the flux. So first, we know very well, out the flux is taken as positive, into the flux is taken as minus, negative sign. Already I explained to you. Now we will see into the flux is equal. General formula is flux is equal to EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Now you will see into the flux. A cos theta. Now, directly I am going to write EA. Directly I am writing E into A. E bar dot A bar. A bar dot A bar dot product I am going to do. So E bar means what is given? E naught I cap. A bar means area vector. I want this only area. For this only area. So length of the cube is L means so what is this one? This is a square. So what is the area of this one? Area of this square. Area of this one means L square. This is a L square. That is a L square. That is a L square I cap. L square I cap. L square I cap. Now the flux is IJ 1 E naught here. This is L square. E naught L square. This is into the flux. But the sign is what is the sign? Minus. Otherwise, we have to do another way also, simple method. So what is the simple method? You'll see. Do one thing. Why you are checking the minus plus also for getting the summation. You see that this plate. This is a plate incoming. This is a output. For this one, normally what is the normal direction? This is a n cap or A means area vector. Now we will take this is flux into the flux. This is n cap is outward direction or this is A area vector. You see N cap is this direction, but this is what is this is the direction of E bar. E bar. Direction of electric field is this direction. This is the direction of area vector. Direction of electric field this direction for this one. This square. Direction of electric field is this one. Direction of area vector is this one. Now you see into the flux. Into the flux means we are going to write EA cos theta. A cos theta. Now angle between A bar and E bar is theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Cos 180 is equal to -1. You see what this is the direction of. This is the direction of. What is the direction of this one? Direction of N cap. Area vector. This is the direction of area vector. This is the direction of E bar. Angle between E bar and A bar is theta is equal to angle between E bar and B bar E bar and A bar is theta is equal to 180. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Always put in this equation E means what's that? E naught I cap. Next A means what is the A? Area vector. Area vector means A. Length of this square is this is the length of this square is L into L square cos 180. Cos 180. Cos 180 is -1. And this is the area vector is this is the area vector is and area vector is along negative I cap. This is a I cap and direction is E into I dot I 1 and E naught L square cos 180 -1. This is into the flux. Next out the flux is what is out the flux and out the flux is equal to EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Now you see E means E naught I cap. A means area L square cos. So this is a N cap area vector. This is the direction of area vector. This is the direction of electric. Both are same direction means this is angle is between 0 degrees. E and A bar is angle is theta. Cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 0 is 1. We are checking. This is the I cap. Now E naught L square. This is a phi. This is a plus flux. Which is total flux is what is the total flux? Total flux is into the flux, out the flux. Into the flux is minus E naught L square. Out the flux is E naught L square. So both are cancelled. Total flux inside the cube is 0. Inside the cube is 0. That is overall. Next question. Next one. This is a from here series A from here series A. But electric field is in the direction E naught X. E naught X. E naught X. We are going to calculate flux, total flux. You can take directly. Or so first this is flux is. This is into the flux. This is outside the flux. Outside the flux. You can take. Now it's into the flux. Into the flux is general formula is EA. E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar means E bar. E bar is E naught X. A bar means what is the A? Length of the cube is A. So what is length of the cube is A, and what is the area of the cube? A square. So this is X means distance from origin to here. So what is X? X is equal to A. E naught A into A square. This is into the flux. That is E naught A into A cube. This is into the flux. Next, into the flux, you can take this is a minus A. Already I told you very clearly. into the flux is taken as minus plus. Minus plus. Now this is outside the flux. Outside the flux is E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar. So E bar means E naught X. A bar means area of, this is the area. What is the area of this one? You can take this is the area of the this one. What is the area of this one or the flux? This is A. This is L. L. Now what is the answer for this one? What is the answer? Area. Area is equal to A square. For this one, A square. Now from here to here is the length. From here to here is length is A plus A. So what is the length? From here to here is the length is, this is the x-axis. And this cube is occupied from here to here is how much length? That is a 2A length. 2A length E naught 2A into A square. So your answer is E naught A into A square. A cube and 2. This is the out the flux. Out the flux is taken as positive. Out the flux is taken as a positive. Phi total is equal to into the flux is minus E naught A cube. And out the flux is plus E naught 2A cube. Now your answer is, this is a minus E naught A cube plus, this is a 2 E naught A cube. Now you are getting plus E naught A cube. This is your total flux linked with the cube. That is your, this model is very, very important. Now next question. Next question. E naught by X square. E naught by X square. Length is, from here to here is length is A. From here to here is 3A. Length, same length. Now your answer is, here X means this is X, this is X. E bar is equal to E naught by X square. This X means, X indicates distance between origin to okay, this is the X is distance means no. So this is into the flux is keeping in mind, into the flux is taken as negative, out the flux is taken as positive. Keep in mind this one. Now into the flux is E bar dot A bar. E bar means what is E naught by X square dot A bar. A bar means so you take, this is only this part, this is a square. So what is the length of this cube? What is the length of A? So what is the area of B square? Area of the square is A square. But E naught by X means, what is the X? Distance from origin to the cube. Distance from origin to the cube. From here to here is length is A. That is A square and A square cancel. So into the flux is minus E naught square. Next, out the flux is out the flux means this is this square you take, this square. Now E bar dot A bar. E bar means E naught by X square. A bar means what is the area of this square? Length is A. What is the square area of this square? Square is A square. Now E naught. This is X means distance from here to here. From here to here. What is the distance from here to here? From here to here is what is 2A. The distance is 2A whole square. X means x-axis. This square is this is a square is present here. This is origin point. From here to here is a distance. What is the distance from here to here is This is a 2a distance. 2a distance. Distance is 2a from here origin point. What is the distance between origin point and square? 2a distance. 2a. I'm taking 2a. This is a E naught by 4a square. 4a square. This is a final. Now, so total flux is equal to, now this is outside the flux is taken as positive. Now this is a minus E naught plus E naught by 4a square. 4a square E naught by 4a square minus E naught. Now 4a square takes LCM. E naught minus 4 E naught. Now E naught. Okay. Now this is your now E naught take common 1 by 4a square minus 1 E naught and 4a square 1 minus 4a square. That is your total flux. So total sorry sir. This is a square mass and into a square cancel and a square cancel means we are getting this is minus E naught. This is E naught by 4. E naught by 4. So E naught by 4 minus E naught. E naught take the common 1 by 4 minus 1. Now E naught 4 takes LCM 1 minus 4. E naught minus 3 by 4. This is a total flux. Total flux. That is a total flux. Total flux. Total flux. Now next Gauss law. Next topic is Gauss law. Next Gauss theorem. Gauss theorem. Gauss theorem. So Gauss theorem. So Gauss theorem. So this is a Gauss theorem. So it is a Gauss theorem. It is a fundamental theorem of electrostatic. Fundamental theorem of electrostatic. So Gauss law can be used to find out intensity of electric field due to uniformly distributed charge. Uniformly distributed charge. So this Gauss law, it is a based on according to Coulomb's inverse by law. Coulomb's inverse by law. So what is the Gauss law? So Gauss law is a fundamental theorem of electrostatic. Fundamental theorem of electrostatic. So Gauss law is a based on according to Coulomb's inverse square law. Coulomb's inverse square law. So Gauss law can be used to determine intensity of electric field due to uniformly distribution of charge. Uniformly distribution of charge. Next, Gauss law statement. What is the Gauss law statement? Total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times charge enclosed by a surface. Charge enclosed by a surface. Okay, I'm going to note down this one. So Gauss law total flux, total electric flux, passing through any closed surface, is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times a charge enclosed by a surface. This is a Gauss theorem. This is a statement of Gauss law. Total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times a charge enclosed by a surface. A charge enclosed by a closed surface. A charge enclosed by a closed surface. Closed surface. The formula is flux is equal. Electric flux is equal. So integration E bar dot ds bar is equal to Q N by epsilon. That is your formula. So phi is equal to EA cos theta is equal to Qn by epsilon naught. This one. You can use this one. So phi is equal to Qn by epsilon naught. You can use. So phi is equal to EA cos theta. You can use. So phi is equal to integration E bar dot ES bar, or otherwise phi is equal to integration E ds cos theta also you can write. You can take this one. You can take that formula. Total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 by times a charge enclosed by the closed surface. So phi is equal to integration U bar ds bar is equal to Qn by epsilon naught. Phi is equal to EA cos theta Qn by epsilon naught. Now this is how we have formula. That is our formula. Now, so next one, note. This is a Gauss theorem. This is a statement of Gauss theorem. Note. So what is note? If a charge is outside of the surface, outside of the surface is so flux is 0. Electric flux is equal Q N by epsilon naught. So electric flux is 0. E bar ds bar also 0. Charge is 0. Outside the flux is 0. So E bar ds bar also 0. Electric field also 0. That is the point. So next important point. So you see the NCERT question. NCERT note point. So this is, we know electric flux is equal to E bar dot ds bar is equal to ds bar area vector, and ds bar means area vector also we can take, or dA bar. We can take a dA bar, whatever. ds bar or dA bar, both are area vector. You can take area. This is a Qn by epsilon naught. Now integration, you see the integration E bar ds bar is equal to Q and by epsilon. This is a LHS side. This is a RHS side. Both are equal. RHS side, due to charges are inside. Charges are inside the surface due to QA. RHS side. RHS side is right hand side is due to charges are inside the surface. But LHS side means E in E. This is a E bar electric field. LHS side, left hand side is due to charges are taken into consideration Q inside or Q outside. Both we are taking, and Q out we are taking. So electric field is due to electric field. LHS side is electric field is due to charges are taken into consideration Q inside the surface, Q outside the surface, surface. That is a very important. Very. Now, next, application of Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. So application of the Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. So first apply the. So we draw the Gaussian surface. So first of all, construct Gaussian law. Construct Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. Construct Gaussian surface, first of all. Next, calculate electric flux through Gaussian surface. Next, calculate charge inside the Gaussian surface. This is a very important application of Gauss law. So we have the point. So what is the point? The first one is construct Gaussian surface. Calculate electric flux to the Gaussian surface. Calculate charge inside the Gaussian surface. This is the points are very important. Construct Gaussian surface. Calculate electric flux to the Gaussian surface. Calculate charge. This is not a charge inside the Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. Infinite line of charge. Next, first one is infinite line of charge. So Tomorrow I will explain infinite infinite finite charge. Up to this class is over. Tomorrow I will explain infinite infinite line of charge. I will explain tomorrow. So first of all, this is a basic point. So Gauss theorem, application of Gauss law, construct the Gaussian surface, calculate the electric flux to Gaussian surface, calculate charge inside the Gaussian surface. This is a very important. Very important. So what is the meaning of Gauss law? So what is the meaning of Gauss law? So what is the statement of Gauss law? Gauss law statement. What is the Gauss law? So total electric flux passes through the any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times charge inside the surface. Charge enclosed by the surface. That is Gauss law. This is the Gauss law. Now, the next we are going to learn application of Gauss law. Application of Gauss law. That is a very important. Very important. You see. Okay. Charge distribution. Gaussian surface, electric field, electric field. Charge distribution, Gaussian surface, electric field. Point charge. Gaussian surface is, this is a point. So what is the shape of the point? Spherical. So we are drawing the Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface is spherical. The electric field is suppose for example this is a charge is this is for example charge means electric field is this is a radially outward. This is a radially outward. That is we are taking radial. Electric field is, so this is a field line. This is a field. Electric field is radially outward. This is a point charge. What is the Gaussian surface? Gaussian surface is spherical. Electric field is